Hello! At Idaho Outdoor Solutions, we offer the WiseWay Pellet Stove. This is a quick video to explain the operation of the WiseWay Pellet Stove so that way you have a better understanding of how this unique stove works. The WiseWay Pellet Stove was brought to market in 2014 after 13 years of research and development. It is unique amongst pellet stoves in that it requires no electricity to operate. It has no moving parts. It only weighs 120 pounds, so it's very easy to move around. It heats homes up to 2,000 square feet, and it has an optional water heater function. I will briefly explain how the WiseWay pellet stove works. I'll go over how the pellets are loaded, how the gravity feed system works, how the combustion chamber operates, and how you can adjust the draw to adjust the temperature in your home. As a bonus, I'll also briefly cover how the water heater function operates. Loading the pellets is an easy operation. The rear hopper holds about 40 pounds or one bag of pellets. It is recommended that you use premium fir pellets for the operation of your WiseWay stove. This keeps the ash at a minimum while still producing a significant amount of heat. The pellets are gravity fed. They begin in the rear hopper, they go through the channel into the mini hopper. From the mini hopper, they continue to flow downward into the primary burn chamber at the bottom. Combustion is started in the primary burn chamber by lighting it with a small propane torch. There are other ways of lighting your WiseWay, however we feel that this is the easiest and the simplest to perform. Once the primary burn chamber is ignited with the propane torch, it takes about 5 minutes before the pellets will burn on their own. Once they start burning on their own, they will begin to get a little smaller. As they get smaller, they will fall through into the secondary burn chamber where they will continue to burn and produce heat to your home until they turn into ash and they fall into the ash chamber. To adjust the temperature of your WiseWay pellet stove, it is necessary to adjust the draw. When you close the draw, this creates the maximum amount of airflow through the primary burn chamber. This produces a high amount of heat, and it is not uncommon to get 650 degrees at the stack temperature. If you open the draw, this interrupts the airflow across the primary burn chamber, and this reduces the amount of heat. Typical average temperature in this position is about 300 degrees at your stack temp. This also reduces the burn rate of your pellets. The hot water jacket can be added to your WiseWay stove at any time after your purchase. You must be careful though, because the water can be easily turned into steam, which is a burn hazard. How it works is you pump cold water in at the bottom, and that follows the combustion chambers and the heating chambers all the way until it turns into hot water out of the top. We've performed this function in various configurations, and we have found that we could heat 50 gallons of water to 120 degrees in about 4 hours. And that's it. That's how easy it is to operate the WiseWay pellet stove. You load the pellets, you let gravity do all the work, you light them, and then you adjust the draw until the temperature is comfortable. Also, at any time, you can use the hot water jacket to heat your in-floor heating system, your greenhouse, or maybe even your home's hot water system. If you have any questions on this or any of our other products, please visit us at IdahoOutdoorSolutions.com or give us a call at 208-580-9386. If you want to see the WiseWay in action, we use a WiseWay pellet stove to heat our offices at 510 Air Base Road, Mountain Home. Thank you.